Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Thursday. As some of you might remember, in our first episodes, I learned that the lasers are always installed next to the processing area and that the laser beam is directed to the material via mirrors. That raises the question, why isn't the laser directly above the material? And to answer that question, we're here in the application center, and as always, Björn has volunteered to help us out. So hi Björn.
Hi.
Could you tell us why the laser isn't directly above the material?
Yes, for sure I can. Yeah, we are using the flying optic concept in all of our machines. And that means that the workpiece itself stays stationary on the system and the laser beam will be moved by mirrors to the material. So finally, later in the movement, the optics fly above the material. That's why it's called flying optic. And the weight of the moving parts, so the axis, is always the same as we just move it. And this will guarantee a higher precision and control of the axis. And this will be much more accurate than anything else.
Okay, and which advantages does the customers have?
This allows a much higher processing speed and a much more consistent performance of the system. And this will finally lead to a higher productivity and a better cutting quality for the customer.
Okay, thanks for explaining, Björn.
No problem.
And see you next time.
Bye.